Hi, in this tutorial you will see nice little CSS effects, and the languages we have used for this particular animation is HTML and CSS, and this is something you're learning the next level of CSS. Apart from that, you will also see this nice little descendant leaves, and the languages we have used for this particular animation is HTML and CSS. And this is something we have done for the product display, wherein when you keep your mouse on this particular animation or this particular catalog, it just displays the information and the size of the shoe and color of the shoe. And this is something done with more of CSS3, transform effects and transition Y and many more. And you can use this for shopping cart projects, more of shopping cart. Apart from that, we have also done some emoji effects, and we have done some COVID-19 as it's kind of scary in this particular season. So you can see how exactly the eyes of the emojis are turning towards the COVID. And when this COVID goes on top of the emoji, it turns kind of reddish as it's getting scared. So this is an animation we have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And for this we have used a video, particular smoke effect, and I've used some CSS effects for this, and this is basically done with HTML and CSS. So, and I'm going to add more of this animations in coming days. I'm going to add more and more topics. The basic idea behind this learning is you can reach out of the box and learn something which you can extend your limitations on CSS. Welcome to my course. Myself, I'm Praveen. I personally would like to thanks for watching or joining the course. I make all of these classes myself. There is no big company or corporation behind this. I have a nice little home studio setup. I love creating, programming, launching, learning and teaching. I've got more than 15 years of experience as a complete full stack developer. I also train at Amit, and you can see this is where I take my classes on a daily basis. I answer all the questions posted to the class twice a day, so please feel free to post any question, and in most cases I'll have an answer for you within 48 hours. That's it. Thanks again and have fun in the course.